In this video, I will walk you through the process of logging in and navigating the Phillip Nova 2.0 mobile platform. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you get started with the platform effortlessly. To begin, open the Phillip Nova 2.0 app and log in by entering your username and password. For your information, your default first-time password is your identity card number without dashes, and it will link you to reset your own password to log in. To create a new watch list, please tap the three-line icon on the upper right of the screen. Then choose Create Watch List and input the name you want to set for your watch list. To rename a watch list, tap the three-line icon in the upper right corner and select Rename Watch List. For rearranging contracts within a watch list, tap the same icon and choose Edit Watch List. If you want to delete a watch list, select Delete Watch List from the menu. To manage columns in your watch list, go to the three-line icon, select Manage Columns, and customize the columns by adding or removing the relevant information you need. To add futures product to the default watch lists and place an order, tap the watch list icon, then select the Add icon. Next, choose the product type you wish to order. For instance, to add a futures product like FCPO, which falls under the futures category, tap the futures icon. After tapping the futures icon, this will take you to another page displaying various exchanges from different countries. And right here, choose BMD, and then select FCPO for the crude palm oil futures contract. Once you have identified the specific contract, such as JAN5, tap the heart icon to add it to your watch list. Now, let's go back to our watch list, and the FCPO JAN5 futures contract will appear in our watch list. For a detailed understanding of the product you selected, tap Contract Spec. This section provides information such as the exchange managing the product, its description, symbol, contract months, contract size, trading session details, initial margin, and key dates like the first notice date and last trading date. To view the market depth of a contract, simply tap the Market Depth option. This will display the prices currently queuing in the market. To place an order, tap Place Order and select your preferred order type, such as a market order. Enter the quantity you wish to trade, slide to buy, and tap the Buy button to confirm your order. Once the order is placed, navigate to the Orders tab to view its status. When the order is filled, you may check the position on the summary page. On the summary page, you can check your account balance, available margin, and all relevant information related to the trades. To close your position, go back to the Place Order page, select Sell, slide to Sell, and then tap the Sell button to confirm. After completing the sell order, you will no longer hold any position. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please watch our other Phillip Nova 2.0 user guide videos to learn more tips and tricks for trading on the Phillip Nova 2.0 trading platform. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact your dealer representative.